What's up, Buzz? It is Fly High FPV, and I'm here to say thank you. I want to thank everybody who entered the Rippies this year. I want to thank everybody. Oh shit! I'm on a roof. Oh, fuck me, boys and girls. Oh, thank you to everybody who entered the Rippies. Thank you for everybody who sponsored. Thanks for everybody who's taken a part of this awesome group that we have, who's come out to vote, who's joined the Discord, all of it. We appreciate you all. Thank you so much to Sean. This was his idea to come up with this FPV awards show and bring everybody together. And thank you even more to Mrs. Dawn. She really is the cornerstone of this community and has brought us all together. This is a community of artists, inventors, engineers, and pilots. And I just love to see us all working together towards a common goal, especially in the face of the adversity that we're dealing with these days. Our fucking government is turning around and telling us what motors we can buy. They try to force remote ID on us, and this insanity with the FCC trying to block any parts from any other countries in the world. And I'll tell you what, we're not gonna stop flying. We're out here in the fucking bando, crashing on roofs, and we're not gonna be stopped. So I'll see you in the bando. Fly high.